Good morning. Starting right at 6:30, I just want to see how NASDAQ starts reacting to commodities open. So we'll see how things pop off. All right. Kind of slow. I expected a massive spike, but I mean, we'll see. Gold, we have something. I was kind of doing a little forward testing pre-market, so good morning. Let's see who hops in here on Wednesday. No real news unless you're a CAD trader, so getting after it. I'm waiting for Salva to join to talk about his trade. Salva, when you're in here, let me know. There's a sell-off from Nas. So let's see. We didn't quite come into premium, but actually we did. Did we? Yep. So Nas came in and filled in this equilibrium here, which is probably the reason for the sell-off. I can't say for sure, but that kind of just gives a confluence to it. So it's something to look at. So I might be looking for sells the rest of the day. Gold. What's up, Salva? What's good? Pickle. Salva is a beautiful. Did you end up taking that trade that Luca called? I know you did. I know you took it. I was your liquidity. Sadly, I was in buys. I'd been in buys since yesterday, and price just fucked me. So I'll go over that in a little bit, though. Right now, I'm trading Nasdaq and gold. Yeah, sad days. Nah, but I knew we were going to also on gold. Damn, Salva bagging out. Start sending me your signals. Just kidding. Nash shorts. Yeah, I'm looking at Nash shorts, smiles. Nothing I'm gonna get in like yet. I know some people probably like just like instantly sold like this. Some Mamba traders. Gold longs. I'm thinking possible gold longs, not gonna lie. I was thinking that early market just because we have London highs and Tokyo highs and they're equal highs. I don't think they got swept. Yeah, it's somewhat equal highs. So yeah, I'm expecting gold buys. I am. So but I'm gonna kind of approach this like stream a little bit differently. So it's not gonna be like no supply and demand like recently for NAS and gold. I've been experimenting with IFEGs and stuff like that. So like let's say if we broke this area, I would get in, right, and then target London highs or something of that sort. So but I got a lot of friends making money that way, and I'm usually not a gold or NAS trader, and it makes the most sense. I'm just not. I just don't see a lot of supply and demand on Nasdaq at least. So that's why I'm kind of doing that. We'll see. We have a nice IFEG, but it is pretty early in the open, so but I could be getting in targeting longs, but it's kind of counter trend on the 1 minute just because we do have that 1 minute supply. But again, I'm really saying fuck supply and demand when it comes to New York session. I'm just looking for liquidity, right? So if like price were to break out, I move stops at break even pretty fast just because it's futures and I'm able to do that. So NAS is gonna be gone for a while just because open just always goes crazy. I won't be able to trade it for like 30 minutes. I mean, I can't say that. I could be wrong. So anyone else in any trades? I know Shot res is in gold longs right now. Anyone else looking at anything nice? I'm curious. Let me know. Check Discord. Ooh, Salva. Gold shorts. When was this? Pay attention to this. You sent it backwards, huh? Wait. Yeah, you did. Or did you? I don't know, guys. That was confusing me. Never mind. Fire trade on gold, though. So anyone else in any trades right now? Gold shorts? Okay. We have someone shorting gold and we have someone longing gold. We're gonna see how that plays out. Personally, I'm liking the longs. I really am. Okay. Why? Just because we have a lot of areas untapped. Especially when it comes to like session highs. But that does not mean we're going up. So but I'm excited to see who wins that battle. Person going short, person going long. So Salva, you talking the trade you sent me? I think that's what you're talking about, huh? I mean, it was a fire trade. I can't lie. You got to break it down to me later. Nas is just selling, man. I know Cowboy or Mamba took sales on that one of them. It just screams them. Sorry, but it does. Tell me, Miles, why are you in gold shorts? I'm not doubting anything. I'm just saying, what's your bias behind it? I'm always curious to know. I'm curious. I like hearing other people's strategies, applying it, looking at it. So especially because like right now, going back into gold and Nas, I'm more of like in a testing phase. So I'm like really just shooting, getting as much data as possible for these first 3 months. Obviously, I'm still trading Forex. I'm still trading the same plan, but I got the time, so why not trade both? You know, why not? Why not? I know, Salva. Like, I still have trouble like getting my head around using the trend line, but I see so many people making it work, and it just even Ollie now. Like, I mean, I see Ollie, even though he like is big on fundamentals, I'll still see him enter off like some type of trend line break, or he'll use it as a confluence of some sort. And I'm just like, it's. But I mean, it works. If it works, I mean, you can't hate it if it works. So. But gold's buying up. See, I would have liked to got in sooner. But price just took off, and I wanted to use the high of New York at the time as like my break-even point. Not gonna lie, so I don't like that. crash. Thank the Lord I didn't get in. Thank the Lord. Dang, it really changed your game. Who trades trend lines here? I gotta know. Tell me. Do you trade trend lines? Anyone use trend lines? I'll send a voice note trying to explain that shit. Yeah, send it to me. Like I know like the general concepts behind like trend lines. Like let me look back at what you sent me. But is that how you got into GJ? I know you got in summer. It's like a trend line break or some shit. Because if that's the case, then fuck. Everybody got to tell Salva to drop a signal room. Salva signals. Wow, Salva. Honestly, I might start. Yeah, go to grab trend line break. Very, very interesting, Salva. Is the EMA like a big part of it? When it comes to like taking those entries, or is it just an extra confluence that you would like to see? Guys, Nas is dumping. But we just swept Tokyo lows or Asia lows. Yesterday I caught buys after we swept Tokyo lows back to the upside. Really nice buys, like 1 to 3. EMA to use. So what EMA are you using? Is it like a tight EMA, like 13? Or you like focus more on like a 50 or 200 to kind of get your overall bias? I know, Pickle, tell him. Everybody go DM Salva, tell him to drop the sauce, because he is a goat when it comes to that. An absolute goat, man. I mean, like, look at this. Simple entries, but he's bagging out, man. Bro is bagging out. Catching 1 to 3s and shit. 1 to 4s, maybe. He made 200. Okay, so it's not like too tight at all. Good to know, Salva. Good to know. What'd you send me again? So for like GJ Salva, are you even like paying attention like trend lines like this where we're respecting the trend line and then you kind of saw the break and that kind of gave you like a double confluence? Because I remember I started doing that a little bit, but it's just average price. Oh, really, Pickle? Pickle, it's too early in the morning for that. I'm kidding. Where are all my grinders, man? At 5 a.m., we have everyone in here talking about this and that. No grinders today. So is that like a big one for you? Is like having a trend line from London High? Like, does sessions matter more than anything to you, or is it just because it happened to be respecting that area? Just London High. It just happened to be at London High. Okay, so do you have any higher time frame biases, like any at all? I know Sal's gotta make a video about it, but it's gonna be in Spanish. Pickle, you know Spanish? Or you need subtitles. Nah, but Sal would need to drop a signal room. Oh shit. See, my friend. Alright, Pickle, if you know Spanish, it's perfect. Saba is fluent, my guy. He is fluent. Just not seeing much yet. So, I mean, actually, if I break this, I may look for longs. Potentially. Potentially. Why? Because just swept Asia lows. I'm big on sweeping session lows. He does. He's fire. Jamal. So is fire. It does make sense, but like as far as like going to higher time frames, you really like do not necessarily like look at that. You're just saying, okay, if my 200 EMA is bullish or bearish, I'm just trading that you know, solely that, whatever that bias is. I'm not in gold longs. I'm just kind of forward testing. See, in this case, like right here, I would already move to break even. Okay. So it's strictly 5 minute, nothing else, right? Maybe 1 minute. See, that's why you move to break even. See, the idea behind it is this high right here is liquidity of some sort. I mean, everything's liquidity in the market, but these highs are areas of liquidity. So if you are looking for like some type of inversion for value gap, as soon as you sweep that high, you move to break even, because the majority of the time, if price retraces on that, it's probably going to lose, or you would have taken an unnecessary loss. I mean, yeah, you can win sometimes, but again, like with this strategy, you're expecting momentum to kind of just take over. But in this case, it didn't, and as you can see, it would have just been an unnecessary loss. So I don't know if anyone else in here is trading virgin pair value gaps, but again, like I'm just kind of getting into it. So if you have any tips, like shoot them out at me. Okay, Salva. Okay. Guys, Salva's dropping the fucking sauce right now. I don't know if you guys know that, but that's like the type of shit you got to pay a couple thousand for, and he just dropped it all in this YouTube video. I mean, live stream, sorry. No, I understand, Salva. I understand. Free sauce, I'm happy gang. Yes, sir. Everyone better be screenshotting this shit. I mean, you can go back. I mean, actually, I don't know. Like, when you go back to a live, can you see the chat? I think I tried the other day to see the chat, and it didn't. Miles is looking good for sales. He was talking about sales. He's getting sales. One thing gold, even though we have London and Asia untouched, we did just come back and respect the fuck out of this fair value gap. Kind of are looking to sell off possibly from here. Again, I want to see, I mean, I know this is not an ICT type fucking live, like, I just know people in here don't really trade ICT, but if you do, drop some gems for me, man. Thank you, Salva. Hey guys, that's my Discord. I'm always posting out weekly outlooks in there, so keep that if you want. Always dropping sauce, trade breakdowns, weekly analysis, all that. There's that sell off. It's a nice sell off, can't I? Again, we started respecting the fuck out of this 15-minute fair value gap. And overall, we are bears, so. So like right here, you're looking for sells, I assume, right, Salva? You're looking for sells, or you're looking for buys? Because I know the EMA is showing buys, but in like that case, are you still willing to go against it? Or did my EMA just totally fucking give me the wrong data? I'm liking this NQ push a lot. This next candle closes, I'm gonna enter and possibly, or at least forward test it. Again, just kind of in a testing phase, so. But I'm liking this a lot. I'm not liking that though. That's why you enter off the break. There's news that's why gold is buying it too. It's gonna tank. Yeah, now that's looking at it, gold is honestly looking like it's gonna tank. Can't lie. Sells for now. You should put this room a. I put the 200 EMA on and it was fucking around with me. So I don't know if I. It's moving average exponential, right? Or am I tweaking? Oh, I was on the 1 minute. My bad. That's why. That's why. Now it is honestly valid for sales. I can't lie. What trendline break are you waiting for? Just like this. Nah, Salva should make a video. I'm telling you guys, go DM Salva. Bug the fuck out of him until he makes a video. I'm dead serious. Go do it. I give you permission. Gold is looking nice. Yeah, pick. I'm honestly waiting for NAS buys. I'm liking it. Again, just reminder my testing phase with IFEGs and all that. But I like how we're sweeping Tokyo lows, and I would aim to one, like, facilitate this pullback on the 15-minute. But to add on from that, if we come and invalidate this fair value gap that's holding, then I'd look to kind of push towards these highs and probably liquidate those. But we clearly respected it. But that's why you want to wait for a close, because a lot of people would have got FOMO right now and entered once price started coming above here, and then as you can see, price like totally sold off and respected it. So that's what's a little scary about that. Like that, so like a tight trend line. We're respecting this fair value gap really nicely. You know, I never thought I'd talk like hear myself talk about like fair value gaps and this and that, and then like recently I've kind of gone into that route just because, I mean, there's so much money within it. So much. Just trading IFEGs and all that shit. Yeah. Wait on what, gold, Saba? That's what you're talking about. Gold just fucking around, but it does look like it's gonna sell off. So, I mean, if we're wrong, but the name of the game. I think we have news later, right, at 11:30, way later, like PM session. I know. Sava's always fucking partying though. I'm kidding. Wait, Sava, I'm sorry. Were you talking about NAS or gold? As far as like saying wait, because I think, I don't know. Give me your opinion on NAS, Sava. I know you're not a NAS trader, but I mean, again, I want your opinion. Wait, I don't know. I don't think you trade NAS too much, but could be wrong. Nah, Sava has to fly down to California or Miami, um, and hop on a podcast with Luca. That's what y'all should spam him about. Bro would go crazy in Miami. He'd get lost in the sauce. I'm just kidding. I don't know. A lot of people said they get lost in the sauce in Miami. It's scary. I feel like that's anywhere. Actually, I can't say that. Miami's just on another level. So, when you can go clubbing midweek, CM5, because is that for NAS, Sava? So I would open the chart CM5 because we were anyways up there. So now waiting for bullish trend. So you're waiting for just like a liquidation of highs, Sava? That's what you're waiting for. What is that for gold? See, that now I'm confused. I don't know what you're talking about. think you're referring to me asking about NAS, if I'm not wrong. Slide of Mexico City. Oh yeah, Pickle, you're from Mexico. Oh, okay, so you are waiting for a push to the upside. Okay, Salva. Okay, I see you. Pickle, how is Mexico? Do you like it? I don't mean that in like a bad way, like it'd be bad. I hear a lot of good things about Mexico. I really do. I hear a lot of good things. So, but again, like, would I go there? I mean, look at me. Nah, but I think I would, but I don't speak Spanish, so I really got to pull up with some friends that do. If I didn't, I'd be lost as fuck. I'd be so lost. But it does look fun. I heard like the beaches are nice out there. Not in Mexico City, of course, but in Mexico. In the beach areas. That's someplace I'd like to visit, I can't lie. Wait, what do you mean hell no? See, I'm forgetting what I'm asking you. It's early in the morning for me. I apologize. Way too fucking early for this shit. Snaz pushing. I just want to see a solid candle break of that fucking high. That's what I don't like. I don't like when like price stutters at this like fair value gap and then absolutely flies. Obviously it had a pullback, but nah, but maybe me, Luca, and Savo will pull up on you, Pickle, in Mexico. You show us around. You keep us protected. I know like everywhere's dangerous, so it's like people always talk about like this place is super dangerous. I'm like everywhere's dangerous. Fucking LA's dangerous, to be honest. What a fucking push, man. What a fucking push. See, I hate when it does that shit, like stutters hard as fuck. Why couldn't it just fucking push up a little bit? Push more. It's like this would have been a point for me to move to break even. But because it hit it already, it's like you can't. Argentina. Honestly, I felt like Luca would go out there. Luca went out there, I'd probably go with him. We could party. Now that I think about it, I think Luca really was talking about going to Argentina sometime. How was Argentina? You said you like Argentina a lot, so I imagine it's not bad. Oh shit. I didn't realize price sold off like that. That I've been waiting on gold sales, yeah. Take a Salva signal. I probably won't be live too long today because I do like kind of just like locking and trading a little bit of my own. But I'll see. I'm waiting on gold as well, so yeah, so I was right. Now this is choppy. Pick, are you live trader? Do you trade funded at all? Have you? When it breaks a low, Salva? Is that what you're looking for? That's a good pick. Well, I mean, if you took a break for a while, sometimes it's hard to get back into it. That's a good. That's a good um way to go on pickle. Gold is a little crazy though. Gold can be crazy, I can't lie, but it does pay. Yeah, we'll see if we can break that. Gosh, I'm tired. 2 sevens. Not financial advice. Nah. Like, I'm gonna take it since I was calling it. And if we lose, I will give everyone his Instagram. Y'all can go DM him. I'm kidding. I'm not kidding, but nah, but Sava only calls bangers, so it's gonna win. By the way, everybody go like my new reel. Talking to you, Salva. I haven't really paid attention to Forex. I was expecting buys on Euro USD. But we kind of came further down into this POY, but we're still valid for buys. So I mean, if we can get some type of structure shift, I could be looking to scale in to continue the overall hard time frame bias. So GA's been a bitch. GA was my best pair at the last 4 or 5 months of the year, and now it's just absolutely fucking shit. But again, that's where like data comes in, because I mean, if I'm able to like recognize that GA and possibly GJ is not as profitable for me at the first couple months of the year, and like Euro USD is, GU, AU, whatever it is, then that's good data going into 2026. Now I know in 2026 where my priorities are going to be. Maybe GA and GJ are a little bit later in the year pairs. Why? I don't know. There may be reasoning behind it, there may not be, but again, like that's where data is going to show me. And I'm always going to be talking about data. Like I always talk about that with my mentorship. How fucking important data is. Because again, like everything's changing. Like everything's is subject to change, in some way, shape, or form. I'm not saying everything. Obviously, you still want to be able to catch trades. You're still going to see your setup, hopefully. But even like your setup could, there could be there could be a factor that's added or subtracted or whatever it is. So, bro, go to like having that one girlfriend that don't listen. I know. I felt that. Pickle. They're rough, but sometimes it's the best. I'm kidding. You get a lot of toxic women in Mexico. Pickle. I feel like he would. Latinas are like about 80% of them are toxic. 80%. Maybe 85. I think all women can be toxic. There's like good toxic, there's bad toxic. Naz is dumping. Let's see, we filled in equilibrium. 97. You talking about 97%? Damn, Salva. Salva, don't you got a girl? You saying she's toxic? Yeah, I got a girl right now, but she's pretty toxic. I can't lie. Sometimes. Hopefully she can't hear me. She's over there, but she probably knows it. So. Fucking Salva. Damn, you've been single for 2 years, Pickle. It'd be like that. Nah, I try to stay single, but then I can't, I can't get these women away from. I'm kidding. Nah. I said I don't have it that easy. I'm not one of those guys. Luca got it like that. Y'all think that Luca don't got it like that. Luca got it like that. Hello, always see his flying chocolates. Damn, you don't ever go down to the city, walk around. My homie who has gone a couple times, like he says he goes around. I mean, he says he sees a lot of women, but they may not be the women you want to get with. Like, if you know what I'm saying. Like, they'll get with you. Like, but I don't know if that's not wifey material. That's not girlfriend material at all. But I have to take a trip to Mexico City. Chill with Pickle. Or Argentina. Argentina really sounds cool, Saba. After stream, I'm gonna go look up pictures of Argentina, see what's up over there. I have like a bad stereotype of like European countries, and it's not necessarily bad, but like always from just what I've heard and what I've seen, it's just like I feel like it's just very like, from what I hear, okay, I'm not saying this, just very like, not depressing, but not as like lively as California, you know, like the sun's always out over here, there's trees, like I hear it's raining a lot in Europe, or usually does, I can't say always. um but yeah, am I right or am I wrong, Salva? Are European countries typically a little bit more depressing? I mean, you may not know because you've never been to California, like the difference of, and I don't know either because I've never been to Europe, but it's just like a stereotype I've heard. That's motherfuckers in my house. Colombia. Colombia looks fun. Colombia scares me too. Anywhere out of the US scares me again. But I would still go. I don't give a fuck. I would still go. I think I would too, Salva. I really think I would too. Um, we gotta go. What's cost of living like out there? Is it like relatively expensive? Is it like, you know, doable? Is it like cheaper? Because I know like places like Bali and like places in like the Philippines are like, your dollar goes a long way out there. You know, it's relatively cheaper. Um, I don't know how it is for Argentina. See, what's scary about EU is like right now we got that change of character that I was expecting, but on the lower time frames we kind of are in this bearish like structure. So I really might even want to wait until like I see a 4 hour break of this high, and we kind of disrespect this supply. Damn, the president fucked it all up. How far is Argentina? Damn. 13-hour flight, Salva. But I didn't even want to go to fucking Dubai because of how long the flight was. I mean, it's a little bit less time, but fuck. I wish we had it like that soon. Soon. That's the gold pickle. Hop in the PJ, pick up this person, and do our thing. Who's gonna stop us, you know? Oh shit. 200 USD a month? What the fuck? That's actually fucking crazy. You know how much it is for an apartment in San Diego? Fucking a studio in San Diego is like over $2,000 at least. At fucking least, man. Damn, I missed my entry on gold. That's fucked. Yeah, gold does look like it's gonna sell off. No, but cost of living in California is crazy. GTA 6 boards, GTA 6 would go crazy, I can't lie. Fuck. cost of living fucking Cali is just absolutely ridiculous compared to everywhere else, man. Makes me want to fucking leave, but it's beautiful. But then fucking one of the main reasons I say I'm still here, because like I kind of been wanting to go to Texas for some odd reason, and just try it out there for like a year. But the one thing that was holding me back was Luca. Like I was really tempted to just say fucking go, but then I got to meet Luca, and then we started hanging out a lot more, and I was like, fuck, like Luca, like in my mind at the time was Luca was gonna stay here for a while, and then he started making these plans of traveling around, and I was like, oh shit, um, yeah, oh shit, you said that before, huh? Yeah, no, Texas sounds like, I mean, as far as like cost of living in Texas, like I can get a 2 to 3 bedroom apartment for about the same price as like a studio or 1 bedroom in San Diego, and that to me is fucking insane, like absolutely fucking ridiculous. So y'all might see me in Texas now, but I do want to travel with Luca. Um, that's my goal. I'm not even 21 yet, so I told him like let me hit 21 first, and then like wherever you're planning on going that next month, let me know, and then we'll see if we can get Airbnb, which I think would be lit, especially if it's Argentina, Salva. I hope it's Argentina, because I'll wait for that trip just so I can go hang out with you. We'll make Pickle go. The sales are happening now. Miles is gonna pop a bottle. Are you entering, Salva, or no? And what would your entry be? New Zealand. Ooh. How is New Zealand? Tell me about it. Damn, that does suck dick. That's better than over here, Salva. I mean, over here, London Open is at 12 a.m., 12 at night. And then if I also trade New York, and New York opens at 5 a.m. So it's like sometimes I don't even get to sleep. It's kind of fucking shitty. The fucking Salva. No, you don't have to have a gun, Salva. You don't have to. I mean, I feel like you have to. I mean, I don't want to say you have to, but I feel it's safer in Texas than I do in California. I don't know though. Like when I get there, I'll see. Yeah, I could destroy London and just like knock out. And that's what I used to do. But then like once I kind of started getting into more like futures, I've been really big on like New York 630. You don't have to, Salva. But it's just a lot of people own guns out there. That's what it is. A lot of people do. So you'll give me a gun now. My goal for 21, I'll get a gun at 21 in Cali. I gotta stay strapped. 2760. Was it on the 1 minute? Where's that fair value gap? We talking about gold? Weta? Oh, no, I'm not seeing much. So there goes the sell off. Good call, Miles. Good call. Yes, sir. Still think next candle can retest. Yeah, possibly. Where are you looking for it to retest, Sawa? Like coming up into this supply right here, and then what, selling off? I think here in about 5 minutes I'm going to end stream. Okay, on gold. Looking for a 25 pip stop loss. Hell yeah. No, I'm not even 21 yet. Sadly. I'm 20. I'm 20. 20 and yeah, just 20. But in like 3-4 months, I'll be 21. So it'll be pretty nice, I'd say, to hit that. Okay, so you do 25 pip stop loss no matter what, Saba? Gold sell off is wild. Same with the NASDAQ sell off. It was expected. Again, on NASDAQ, we came in and we filled in, or came into premium pricing on within this leg. So sales were expected after that, especially after we saw price reject it the way it did and then create a new structure. Okay, Saba, okay. Yeah, I didn't get in either, Pickle. Don't worry. Do not worry. But yeah, gold selling off. Miles is happy, but overall, we were bearish, so we came into premium pricing, had a nice reaction on the 15-minute, so we're probably going to target yesterday's low for sure, I'd say. For NAS, yeah, NAS is looking pretty promising for sales too. I think NAS is gonna fucking dump as well, but we'll see. XRP, I don't trade it. Like, are you talking about trading XRP? Like day trading it? We'll see what happens, but I think I'm going to end stream here. Again, gold sold off. You might see a pullback into the supply, but we may not. I'm expecting price to kind of target daily low or yesterday's low is what I mean. So we'll see if that happens. But that's probably going to be a really big liquidity point. So NASDAQ, same, targeting daily low most likely. Let's see if we can take that out. We're overall looking bearish. So we came into this leg and filled in equilibrium. So if you can catch some type of sell from there, maybe the supply. Again, it just depends on your strategy. So, but I'll probably be looking for sells like the next 30 minutes. So, but again, don't forget we have news at 11:30. I believe so. 11 news at 11. Don't get fucked. Don't get fucked by news. So, but I think I'm going to end it there. Thank you guys for joining. I'm probably going to do 6:30 from here on out, just because I actually get to, you know, be a little bit more you know, scratch that. I just get to actually trade, I guess. Didn't really place anything today, so we'll see what happens. Just did a little bit of forward testing, but yeah, big news. That was right, big news at 11. So don't get fucked. If you're in a trade, manage it accordingly, break even, or just take out profits. Whatever it is, don't, you know, don't turn into a gambler. Okay, so but I appreciate you guys tuning in, all of you. Appreciate the likes. Pick have a good one. Miles, have a good one. Salva, everyone else that's in here, you have a good one. I will see you guys most likely Monday. So I'll see you guys then. Peace out. Later, Legacy.